Do you know how many times I've heard people say, and I'm sure you as airsofters has seen and heard it too, why are you playing with toys? Why not use the real thing? Well, point number one, you can't use the real thing in an airsoft game. Point number two, if that's a toy, what's that? I'm telling you now, when you wear the appropriate clothing and eye protection, airsoft is very safe. However, in any other situation, I would rather be hit by a Nerf dart than an airsoft BB. So for all of you that keep saying these are just toys, no, they are above toys. That's a toy, this isn't. But if you're going to compare this to the real thing, then I understand you calling this a toy. Right, I think you can work out what's going to happen here. Ha! Got this massive glass. I'm going to fire at it at close range with my Nerf Titan CS-50, and then I'll use my AIRSOFT Microgun. And then we'll see which one really is a toy. So as you can see there, doesn't even scratch it. Now, for the AirSoft Microgun. Oh! Wait, I've got another one of these glasses. Let me do another one, but this time let me slow it down. Now tell me, which one is more of a toy? So, in my mind, these bad boys are not toys. That's a toy, 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 this is not a toy. And here's my final point. Do you know that a lot of these airsoft replicas are used in movie production to replicate the real thing? Unless you're very good at painting, I've never seen a Nerf used in place of the real thing in a movie. Unless it was some sort of comedy. You watch, I bet you someone's going to make one now. Anyway, if I haven't convinced you yet, feel free to have your say in the comment section, but I'm sure a lot of you will agree. But there will be the naysayers and still say these are toys. Yes, compared to the real thing, yeah, they're toys, but they're not toys like those are toys. Okay, the comment section is all yours. Oh, so you think I've run out of things to unbox? Nah, fam.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.